Super Stock 3-yard 440. As we get going here, we got a few sleds coming out, few of them that can't quite make it.
Super Stock 440 coming up next.
Super Stock 440. It's Greg.
All right, ready to go here. Super Stock. We're going to have Joey Norton out of Fort Wayne, Indiana on an Arctic Cat.
Greg Wilcox is here from Brown City, Michigan on a Polaris.
Andy Nyland from Tomahawk on a Mercury.
Also we have Paul Sockwell on a Yamaha.
You forgot his middle name. Tanner Wonderlick from Hortonville on a Polaris.
And Paul Mulder from Muckwonago on a Yamaha Standard 440.
Oh.
Going to have 3 laps, 5 heats. We're going to 5 racers, 4 quarterfinals, and then 2 semis into the finals.
Oh, got a good start.
Some big class coming up here. Turn 3 and 4 still looks pretty good, Bill. They haven't really challenged anybody here as they come around here in front. It's only 66 sled of Paul Sockwell, followed by the 70 sled of Andy Nyland. So Sockwell's got the lead right now. Boy, he's taking quite advantage of it, really falling ahead of the other racers.
He's got a heck of a lead right now. See if he can hold on to it.
I don't think it'll be too much problem unless he has a little mistake down there through turn 3 and 4, but he's coming out there pretty high, so he's on the throttle. Tanner Wonderlick really moved up. He moved himself all the way up into that 3rd spot. I don't know how long he's going to hold it there. He took a pretty wide shot out there. And Greg Wilcox running in that 5th spot. 5th spot.
Paul Sockwell.
Wilcox finishes, and so does the Greg the 857 sled coming in. That's Vollmer.